is the inside of my house.
Look at the water. No!
This is
disgusting, man. Stop mixing it!
Alright, so here we are. Sorry I haven't been posting anything in a while. I've had a bit going on. Those of you that know me or follow me in the socials would have seen that where I live, tropical far north Queensland, was affected by a cyclone, which wasn't really that bad, but what came after, the floods, was a little bit bad. So I don't want to talk too much about it. I'm going to put some footage. I picked up my camera briefly just to get some shots, I guess, to paint the picture. But yeah, unfortunately, the S13 and my A86 got flooded. So I'm staying in a hotel right now because my house also got flooded too. But yeah, unfortunately the S13 basically went, it went completely under, and my A86 went pretty high as well. The S15 thankfully was safe. I had that on jack stands in the shed, and Ethan, shout out to Ethan, convinced me to take it off the stands. And because we didn't think the water was going to be this bad. No one did. It was a 1 in 1,000 year flood, whatever. But yes, if it wasn't for Ethan, my S15 would be flooded right now too. So love you, Ethan. So that's safe. My S14 was at my parents', thankfully, because I ran out of room for storing cars. And my Falcon was actually at insurance, so because the ball joint snapped on that and the wheel fell off and smashed the guard, and that, yeah, cool. I've had good luck lately. So that's safe as well, thankfully. But yes, the S13 went completely under. And yeah, it's pretty devastating because we just got it running not too long ago. So yeah, there's a lot to do with that car. And the A6 is, I just got to put that in the back. I got to focus on one car at a time. But yeah, that's where I'm at. So I don't want to go on rambling too much, but yeah, like here's some footage of my cars and some footage of the inside of my house. That's where I'm at. That's why I've been posting in a while, so I'm sorry about that. And now our main goal is to focus on the S13 and get that, try to get that thing saved if it can be. Yeah, bit of fun, but hey, good content. Revive starts now. There goes the dash that we did with Tiger. The water actually went over the 86, and this was on a trailer. Fucking, there goes my black Truno fucking carpet that's worth heaps. Look at the water lines in it. Mold on it already. Ah, shit. This is the inside of my house. Jeez. I've already started cleaning up, but far out. Alright, you friggers, we are on the way to the S13, which is stored at James's house, V Unity. He always helps me out. He's helped me out again. So shout out to James. So we've got a wet vac here from my boy Eric from Luminous Detailing. and we're gonna go and basically wash it out, wash the puddles out of it, and stuff like that. And basically it's gonna be a bit of a tear down and assess the damage first off. As you can see, I've got basically my whole life in the back seat right now, all flood damage stuff. It's pretty sad, but what can you do? Let's go save a car. I broke it! No! Oh, the plugs are still in. Good cat, fucking.
Oh, it's glass. It's gonna crack. Fuck off.
Look at the water. No!
Perfect drink.
Oh, no.
Dinner right there.
Wait, is that OEM? Surely that's not OEM. Look at the bar in it.
No, that looks fucked, cunt.
What the fuck?
That looks like home center fucking bar. Look at the weld on it, cunt.
Someone in Japan has fucking reinforced this door. What the fuck?
Alright, you ready?
Oh, look at the water. No!
Ready?
Yeah. No! There's so much water in there.
I will. It tastes good. Mount Franklin, bro.
What the fuck? Fucking hell, this thing's full. It's been draining for ages.
Oh, hell, bro.
It's still water!
I don't care about the environment. I'll just let it.
It's still water! Oh, after 3 minutes it finally turned to fucking oil.
And then I'll let him down a bit.
Oh, bung back in, she's good to go.
Yeah, pretty much.
I hope the audio can pick this up, but this is my brand new Haltech. I don't think it's going to pick it up, but it's full of water, so that's sick. I'm going to send it away to hopefully get repaired, but that sucks.
Oh, looks fine. That's mint.
Alright, start her up. You use the cheapest oil you can get.
You have the thing under there?
diesel.
There's all going in.
Let him sit overnight. Okay, so I haven't been talking much because it's just been getting into it. This idiot here. As soon as I pick up the camera. We've been getting smashed into it, and when I say we, James has been courteous enough. I haven't even been here, and this little frig has been working away on this. So it's currently full of diesel. Vin Diesel. James took the intake manifold off and cleaned out all the water that was in it.
There's water in the cylinders.
It was filled all the way to the top, so that's cool. We love that. So our plan now is to run it on the diesel, hopefully flush it out. We've got cheap oil down here. We'll run that through and then drop it again. Put the sump back on after all that and just hope for the best. It is an SR20, so hopefully it's tough.
SR20.
Toughish, but that's where we're at. So
It'll be right. It'll run.
Fingers crossed. It appears that it wasn't just Mr. V Unity that was helping on my car. It was this bloke flown in all the way from a package from Japan.
I don't want you, thank you.
He's fixing his brakes after he set them on fire, doing a burnout like a child.
It is what it is.
Got a brand new thermostat. Gonna go about 4 holes, one there, one there, one there, and one there, just to let the bypass, let it bypass when it hasn't actually opened. Just a little trick. You don't need to do it, but I like it. Oh no, there's water in that. There's heaps of water in that.
That is yucky.
No way.
Not yet. Okay, let's do it. We've unhooked the return and feed from the other end. Put some brake cleaner in and blast him through all the juices that would have developed in here. Spray him out, and then we'll investigate inside the tank.
Let go. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Brand new fucking pump.
It's not looking good, bro.
I'll be bone in there.
Yeah. 10%.
10%.
No, 10% fuel, the rest is water.
This is disgusting, man.
Stop mixing it! Gotta drain this beautiful water fuel mix for the race car. Oh, that's so rank.
Oh, it's got water, man.
Interesting looking fuel. It wasn't enough. That was day 2, basically wrapped up of working on the 13. Got a lot done. I honestly just can't thank James and Ethan enough. Like, those guys have been absolutely killing it. Like,
putting in so many hours, like when I wasn't even there too, which I didn't even know, because it's Christmas time. So I was up visiting my family, and they were putting in work on that car. So yeah, we've got a lot done. They've got a lot done, I should say, and I'm super grateful for that. So thank you guys. But basically, all the fuel's drained out now. All the oil's been drained out. Pumped the fuel through the lines and stuff. The coolant was drained too. New thermostat in it. Diesel's been soaking in there. So now that old fuel is out, we might try and get it running in the next video. See if it actually runs. See if the engine sounds healthy. Stuff like that. So yeah. Still sucks, and I'm sorry if I haven't really been talking much in the camera. I'm pretty upset about it, to be honest. I've just been working away on it. But hopefully we can get it running and get some good news soon. And then, yeah, we'll have to go off that verdict however it goes. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you. I don't know how it's been formatted. I probably just slapped it together with the footage that I had. I'm filming off my phone because my camera I don't have. And yeah, I guess I'll edit it when I can from my hotel room. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We need that more than ever. So maybe we can actually pay for this car, because holy crap. And maybe even a new bed for me, because I need all that type of stuff too. But I really appreciate you all for watching, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. I wanna spend my